So what's up guys, today we are going to unbox the Boya by M1 mic. So let's start the video. So friends, let's now start to unbox this. So friends, as you can see, this is the box of this Boya M1 mic. As you can see friends, this is the box. So its box quality, it's super nice. It's very nice quality as you can see. And here also one verification system is here. So if you put a written water, then this will go. As you can see friends, as you can see I put in little bit of water. As you can see, this has gone now. So as you can see in the front, the M1 is written and the image is given, and the backside the specs are given of this mic. As you can see, this is the features of this mic. You can use this mic on your phone, smartphone, or DSLR camera or laptop also. So it's a very good mic under this price point. It costs around 700 rupees. So let's open it. So friends, on opening, as you can see, this is the pouch. As you can see, it has come. This is the pouch where the mic is there. You can see friends, this is the skip is down there. As you can see, the manuals are given here. It is not necessary to read this. As you can see, Boya, and some more manuals are there. As you can see, these are stickers and warranty card. This one. Let's keep this aside and take a look on the microphone. So as you can see friends, this is the microphone pouch. It is made of a very good material. I think leather. It is feeling very nice to hold, and the quality also is very nice. So you can carry your mic in this only pouch. So as you can see friends, this is the mic. As you can see, Boya. So just keep this aside and see what is more in this pouch. So as you can see friends, this is the thing more in the pouch. This is the pouch in which there is a wing. There is the battery of this mic and also an adapter also to connect with your laptop or PC. It's a very nice thing. So as you can see friends, this is the battery of this thing. You can see this is the battery. After that, we have got this one. We have got the adapter for plugging in our PC, as you can see. And this is the thing by which we can put this on our collar or in our shirt. And also one more thing is given here. As you can see friends, this is the wind noise remover. As you can see friends, you can put this on the mic, so that when you are blogging or doing something like that, it will cancel out your things. So as you can see friends, this is the mic. So talking about the first impressions, I'm feeling the quality of this mic very good. As you can see friends, this is the whole metallic body. As you can see, Boya is written here in the camera. On a button is even here. So as you can see friends, this mic is the thing. This is the mic. As you can see friends, it's coming in focus or not. As you can see friends, this is the mic, the thing, and you can put the wind noise remover, as you can see, in here. So there is no problem when you are going outside or something like that, and put this one and use it. But when you are using it indoor, you should use it by like this only. As you can see friends, this is the very long cable. As you can see, very much long it is. And this is the adapter. As you can see, I'm connecting it. You can see it got fitted like this. So friends, let us test this mic. So friends, as you can see, this is the mic. The audio which you are now hearing is from the mic only. And if you want to have a comparison with the previous without mic, you can rewind the video a little bit and see the previous video clips. So tell me in the comments how the quality of this mic is. So let's, as you can see, I keep this mic in here. In vlogging time, you can keep this in here. So let me put this on my collar. As you can see, I'm now using it on the collar. So I think the voice can be low, but still I think the voice is very clear than the normal. As you can, because the fan also is running and the background noise also is coming, but still I think after I'm watching the clip, I think it will be very good. It is considering the noise and all of that. So friends, as you can see, this is the outdoor test of this mic. Very much background noise is there, but still I think the quality is very good. So friends, talking about this background noise also, these cars are going around, that birds are like shouting and all of that things are happening, but still I think there is very much noise cancellation. So let me put on this wind cover also to test it how it is. So friends, the audio which you are hearing now is from putting the wind cover. So tell me in the comments how it is. So as you can see, I am talking about it from side. As you can see, it's very long, almost 20 feet of distance is wind cover. It is very long, so it's very good for vlogging and all that. There is no issue if you go very far away from the camera also. So, and as you can see, I can put it on my collar also, but keeping like this will be more better because it is an omnidirectional mic. So if you keep here, so there is a little bit of interference. So if you keep like this, then it is very good. So omnidirectional means from the point it captures that point only. So if I put like this, then it will capture the front part point only. So you should use it like this. So tell me in the comments how is the voice, it is crisp or clear, how it is. So let me put the wind cover also and show you how it is. So friends, now the voice you are hearing is from the wind cover. So I think the voice can be more lower, have become more lower. So that's why you should use this on when you are vlogging outdoors and all of that thing. So in indoors you should always use with this thing off, means open up. So friends, this the mic. So I'm bringing on detailed video also about this. And also one more thing about this mic is that if you want to use this mic from your smartphone, you'll be needing a 3.5mm headphone jack on your smartphone to use this, and it can be used on camera also, but you have to install the battery and use it. So that is the very vital information. So friends, that was all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.